Hey guys, coming to you with a video, quick video at that. I'm washing my hair, so I know I look a little crazy. It's because my hair is like really dirty, just nasty and gross. So I'm going to wash my hair. It's been a while since I washed it, but not a while. But anyway, so what I'm going to try today is I'm putting a treatment in my hair. I used this treatment before, so this will be the second time I'm using it. And it's called Creme Argan Oil Intensive Conditioning Treatment. And it looks like this. And I got this from my beauty supply store, and it was at $1.99, so $2. And yeah. So I'm gonna wash my hair first, and then I'm gonna use this as my conditioner and sit underneath the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe 30, depends on how I feel. And then after that, I'm just going to style my hair, and I'm gonna do a new style. I'm thinking about roller setting my hair for the first time on transitioning hair. So yeah, my first roller set style since I've been transitioning. So we'll see how that works out, and then I'm going to sit it under the dryer with it. I think I am. But of course, I'm gonna use some heat protectant. I love my heat protectant, and I can't live without it. So yeah, I'm going to hurry and finish this thing. So stay tuned, because I'm going to show you what it looks like in my hair. Okay, so I'm back. Stay tuned. I have the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Intensive Conditioning Treatment in. So let's just talk about this. It smells like a perfume. It's very heavy in perfume. Just looking at the ingredients. The first one is water, glycerin, alcohol, some type of alcohol. I can't pronounce none of these names. Chloride. Down to the bottom, you have a fragrance. Mostly mineral oil, olive fruit oil, honey, aloe extract, leaf extract, and most of the stuff I can't even pronounce. So it's not all like natural ingredients. But so I used the whole thing. As you can see, there's nothing in here. It's paper flat. Let me just try to squeeze out a little bit so you can see how it looks. It's like a vanilla pudding kind of thing. Like, I really squeezed this out. But here's some right here on my finger. I don't know if you guys can see that. Do like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a pudding. So I have it in my hair now. The only thing is just bothering me is the perfume smell. It's like really perfumey. So I have it in my hair. And this is what it looks like. Sorry guys, but this is what it looks like. This is my new growth. And I had it up in a little clip. It looks like it's defining my curls. Just a little. The smell is like, it's not bad, but it does have a smell to it, like a heavy perfume smell. So that's it. My hair looking pretty long down here, but look at that. And this is wet hair. But that's just my straight ends anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a plastic cap on. I know my hair is not gonna fit underneath this whole thing. So my hair is not gonna fit underneath the whole thing, so I'm gonna get my comb. Comb it back. Oh yeah, you have to comb your hair out. I forgot to tell you. Comb your hair out after the shampoo, so that you can work treatment into your hair. And this is how much dead hair that came out of my head. Not a lot. Looks like that. Looks really nasty, but that's not a lot of hair. I haven't combed my hair all week, so if you call it finger combing, but yeah. My hair is already detangled. So, just gonna smooth it on back so it can fit inside. Inside the shower cap. And I'm just gonna put my clip back in. That's it, you guys. Just put it back up. Get my shower cap. And I'm going to send that in the dryer. So I'll show you the results after I come out the dryer. I think I'm staying there for close to a half hour. They say stay 10 to 15 minutes, but I have really thick, coarse hair, so I'm going to stay in there at least a half an hour. If I can't do a half, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So yeah, so I'll be back. I'm done. My half an hour is up. And I'm going to take this off. Just feels like my hair done soaked it all up. See my new growth. I don't know if you guys can see that. It defined my curls a little bit. You can see the straight ends. I was thinking about cutting my hair, you guys, like in the front, like right here maybe. Or should I just cut it all off to the new growth? The hair feels a little soft. I can't tell until I wash it out. But yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. And then maybe tomorrow or at the end of the week, I'll do a final update or review on Creme of Nature Argan oil, since this is the second time I use it. So go ahead and wash it out, and stay tuned for a video on how I'm going to do first time roller set in my hair, and you'll see if it's a fail or like a really great style. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash this out, charge my batteries so I can do that video. Okay, so guys, bye. Putting the rollers in my hair, and I don't know how this will turn out, and I'm not very confident about it because my roots, as you can see, is as puffy as it want to be. That rhymes. I'm silly. Anyway, so I'm going ahead and do a 360 for you. See? Oh, and what you're looking at, all this white stuff, it's just loose. So, yeah. So I'm going to do a 360. So, I'll see you in the morning to see how the takedown comes. Bye.